Let's start northwest corner method. Northwest corner method. We want to solve a transportation problem using northwest corner method. So firstly we have a question. Let's see the question. We have store in the column, factory in the row, and our stores are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here is the supply is the fifth column. So we have to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 column, and rows are A, B, our factories are C, and the values, the cost matrix is given inside it. The cost matrix is for 1 to A1, A2 1, A2 2 3, A2 3 5, A2 4 6, B2 1 11, B2 2 1, B2 3 3, B2 4 8, C2 1 10, C2 2 16, C2 3 12, and C2 4 is 10, and total supply is for A is 90, for B is 70, C is 40, and demand in the last row, and the demand are 50, 50, 25, 75. So we have to solve the transportation problem. To solve the transportation problem, calculate minimum cost. We'll use northwest corner method. So in doing such, firstly we have to calculate the demand and supply. Say our sum of demand. So for calculating this sum of demand is 50, 50, 25 and 75. So total sum demand is 200, and total supply is equal to 90 plus 70 plus 40, that is also 200. So summation of demand equal to summation of supply. So we can write that it is balanced transportation problem. In the next step, we have to go to the northwest of our data. So just only take the cost matrix. Our north is again write 1 3 5 6, 11 1 3 8, 10 16 20 10, and the values of supply is 90 70 40, and demand are 50 50 25 and 75. So go to the top north part of our demand. So take this one, the one value, and we have to assign within 50 and 90, whichever is less, we have to assign the value. So the less value is 50. So firstly we have to assign 50 to the northwest, that is in the one value over here. Then if we assign 50 over here, then within the demand, what happened, the 50 is already consumed, so this value will be 50 minus 50, that is 0, and within 90 minus 50, it will be 40. So in the next step, our value will be value will be assigned. So this column is already consumed, so we can discard this column. We can discard this column. So in the next step, our value will be 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 8, 16, 12, 10. This is the cost matrix, and the value and the supply will be 40, 70, 40, and demand will be 50, 25, 75. In this step, again go to the northwest, that is the value is 3 here. This cell, the most northwest value, that is 3, and within 50 and 40, lowest one is 40. So assign 40 over here, so 40 minus 40 will become 0. So this row will be exhausted, and the corresponding column will be 50 minus 10, that becomes 10. So in the next step, what happened to our, let's see what happened to our column. The matrix will become 1, 3, 8, 16, 12, 10. This will be our cost matrix, and the corresponding supply will become 70 and 40 only, and the other value will be 10, 25, 75. We take this value from this 1, 3, 8, 16, 12, 10, 10, 25, 75, and remaining 70 and 40 as a supply. And we write this matrix, and within this matrix again go to the northwest, that is 1, and within 70 and 10, the lowest one is 10. If we assign 10, 10 minus 10 becomes 0, and this column is exhausted, and 70 minus 10 becomes 60. In the next step, 3, 8 remaining, 12, 10, this matrix will remaining, and the value will be 25, 75, and in the supply the value will be 60 and 40 only. In this matrix, now 3 is the northwest value. Within 25 and 60, the lowest one is 25, so assign 25 in the 3. So 25 minus 25 becomes 0, so this column is exhausted. 60 minus 25 becomes 35. In the next step, if we look, then our matrix become 8, 10, value is 35 and 40 only. This is the matrix. So here there is only one column, and northwest value is, and the last value is 75. The northwest value is 8, and within 75 and 35 we have to assign the lowest one, that is 35. So if we assign 35, it becomes 35 minus 35, that is 0. This column become exhausted, and we assign 35 is already assigned, so this becomes 40. So 40 and 40 is matching, so 40 is assigned to the 10, and this column or row, whatever we say, it is also exhausted. So our net value will be, so our total minimum cost as per northwest corner rule will become, say in the first, it become 1 into 50, 3 into 40. So we will take it is as 1 into 50 plus, next one is 3 into 40. We will take 1 into 50, 3 into 40. Next we have to take 1 into 10 plus 3 into 25. Lastly, we have to take 8 unit will be assigned to 35, 8 cost will be assigned to 35 unit, and lastly 10 unit cost will be assigned to 40 unit. So total cost will be 935 unit, or whatever the cost, say our cost is in BDT. So first one is our unit cost, and next one is the number of product to be sent. So the value will become unit cost into number of product, unit cost plus unit cost into number of product plus unit cost into number of product, this one unit cost into number of product, this one unit cost into number of product, that is 8 into 35, and lastly 10 into 40. 10 is the unit cost and 40 is the number of products. So total cost will be 935 as per northwest corner rule. That's it all about the northwest corner rule. Thank you so much.